leta y'Ekisemi ritko litangani skuru kwa igoro nigo abarimu bari ba JSS ose Junior Secondary ime county ya Kisii Banyarakoba Gwesoke na Korobekana sekiri batebire abataranyarakoba gose serikali taranyarakoba gego ikirania okuganyo kwa Nyarakoba goko butorwa amoneke gambero
korengana barabuni babere bakwemurunganya na alternative bari go cyakogenda asemeremo go ikamagani abo korengana no guciko kwa beto kurwe neke gambero abereka go ikiraniwa asimo bagenderete komochia ekyombegyo kubarika bari mu Teacher Service Commission aseko taikirania ambagania ayogati abo kubarika permanent
Chinga kiye chibo igo nigo Banyarakoba bagote bagendete ko bagwetera amakongu anene chinga kibagendete amonobo korari bwabo asensemo area ye chi contract ngagutumanya umurikito Sami Miyenda
Abarimu ba Junior Secondary nigo barobekana ase omuche obosongo kwemurunganeria ekyombegyo kubarika abarimu gya Teacher Service Commission ase ogotaba okorika kwa botambe gose permanent nigo bagosereria guteikerana eskuru wika eserekari gwetera ekyombegyo TSC yaikiranire amagani abo buna arwetwe ase ekegambero.
We are passing around informing one, the government to give us our permanent and pensionable letters before we go to school. Two, informing parents, teachers and other stakeholders in education that we will not go back to school until they give us our permanent and pensionable letters.
Junior secondary tumekuja kwa streets tukidemonstrate, tukiomba serikali iweze kutuweka sisi walimu wa junior secondary katika kandarasi za kudumu. The court ruled internship as illegal, whereby TSC contravened the provisions of the constitutions by engaging qualified teachers as interns, which is against the constitution.
Gokwana nabarikia mangana nigo basaba abaiburi kobera n'abana babo baria ba junior secondary wika bairanire emeremo.
Ibori komoranje bera n'abana bainuka. Ndubona abarimu we are here struggling. Toko somya under internship. Your learners in school are not taught. Na msidanganywe watu walimu wa primary wanaweza funza syllabus ya CBC. Hawawezi. The only people who are able to teach that syllabus ni hawa walimu.
Anene mono nigo be murunganerio obokurumi gokweneke gwakero amabaga yegasi akurigwa no konyora ogoke.
Serikali gekona na maruba asaba bunge bande bachikwa abana baitu twasometi igoro ebabwarigire permanent no other start wagotire twasome tukuna into ababe baite bakanyetenga ndonyole message batuwa shiringire mubule osane sukali siko mwezi kali. We are tired kunda mechoka
to move with speed, confirm teachers because they violated also their labor law rights of equal pay to equal work. We are being paid peanuts which are not commensurate to the work we are doing. We demanded TSC to confirm us immediately to permanent and pensionable. Otherwise, we are not going back to those schools.
Bono nigo baboririe eserekari goikirania amagani abo.
No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Justice denied is justice denied. Justice denied is justice denied. We want our rights served immediately.
Watoto wafunge na ulimwengu tafadhali. Watoto wafunge na ulimwengu.
Ko reporter ya Egetaseni Kiandizi TV Inchenkoro kwa Sam Miyenda.